All right, just rolled up to my favorite spot. Caught some pinfish off the sabiki rig, and I'm hoping to get beat up. Let's see what we got here. That's where we want to be. Right up here by these docks. Let's see. I was not ready. Let's see what we can do. All right. How you doing, bud?
Good. How are you?
Hopefully going to be good here in a minute.
Catching anything?
I just got here.
Oh.
You can see this place is beautiful. Got a decent sized marina, a lot of money docked here. And it's an awesome place to fish. The fish just move here all year long. They hang out on these docks. Come on, biggin. See if we can get off this dock here. There it is, there it is, there it is. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come here. Come on out of it. Nice fish. Good fish. Come on. There we go. I gotta learn how to. Good fish. Might be a slot. Oh man, come on. Get out of there. Is it a red?
I just saw a flash. I didn't see what it was.
Yeah, it's a red. Nice.
It might be too big.
Yep.
I know it's too big. Can't keep it. Can't keep it all.
Head off that thing.
Fun fight though.
Oh, good fish, man.
Nice red fish. Fish on shrimp?
No, I was sabikiing the pinfish.
Caught him on sabiki?
No, not on sabiki. The pinfish on the sabiki,
Oh.
but him on a pinfish.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh man.
Yeah, I pushed it, but then I waited too long.
So he's ready. Oh, hi. I'm ready to go back.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You look like my dog. Yeah. You look like Mercy on those. Yeah.
Beautiful red. Now I got to figure a way how to get him up here. Come on, man. Look at this, boys and girls. I love it. Fuck. Heck yeah. Ow. God damn it. Shoot, I'm ruining this video. Well, there we go. If y'all can see that fish. Hey, Z! Zoila! Redfish. Nice red, right? What do you think? Trip's complete. Whew. Yeah. Nice, right?
Real nice. What'd you catch it on?
Pinfish.